Fourth, be a good listener. Encourage others to talk about themselves. A person's life is the most important life for that person. A person's headache means more to him than a famine that kills 1,000,000 people. Allowing someone to talk makes that person feel important and flattered. Everyone has gone through how they feel to be tough times, and they like to talk about them if they've overcome them. Ask about this even better. Combine this with another tip, which is give sincere appreciation and praise. Tell them how fascinating their stories are, and how you wished you had their knowledge or experience. When having a conversation, most people are so preoccupied with what they themselves want to say next that they barely listen to the other person at all. Truly listening means making a conscious effort to give the other person full attention, and the benefits of this approach are substantial. Once the author attended a dinner party in New York where he met a botanist. Having never met one before, the author listened to him for hours, riveted by the descriptions and exotic plants and experiments. Later, the botanist Rivi remarked to the host what an interesting conversationalist the author was. But the thing is, the author barely said anything at all. He had merely a good, interested listener. Before reading the book, I never paid attention to this principle. Whenever I was talking to someone, I was always waiting for the person to finish talking so that I could change the topic to my interest areas, or while the person was talking, I was constantly thinking about the things I would say once the person finished. And once the person was done, I would unload the information that I thought was interesting. Fifth, talk in terms of the other person's interest. Using an earlier analogy, why fish with cheesecake? Fish with the bait that the partner wants. People are usually far more enthusiastic about topics they care about than ones only you care about. Before meeting someone, research their interests thoroughly so you have a working knowledge of the field. Identify someone's major goals, then talk about how you'll help them get closer to their goals. For example, my goal with this YouTube channel was to reach 20,000 subscribers in the next 5 months. And in order to hit that target, if I come up to you and say, "Guys, please subscribe to my channel because I have a target to reach," then you probably wouldn't care. That doesn't mean anything to you at all. But instead, if I can give you some useful information with this video, add some positive value to your life, and only after that, ask you to subscribe and the notification bell in order to benefit from my future videos, then there's a bigger chance that you would do it. Because if you are watching this video, I'm assuming that you're interested in your personal growth, and seeing my future videos might be interesting for you. As you can see, I didn't even mention target. I was talking about benefits you will get out.